Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is EDC for Fun. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're checking out the Burrito Grande. So this was sent over to me from the kind people at NAFS. They reached out, asked if I wanted to check it out. I said, sure, that sounds fun. So they sent me, of course, the Burrito Grande, which is a tool roll. We'll take a look at that in a second. We got this pretty nice printed material there. Here's a little label, Delicioso, designed in Utah, made in China. Burrito Grande, knife storage roll. They sent me a couple stickers. Super cool. And a mint. All right, so first time I'm opening this. This is, I think, the navy one. It's waxed cotton. We got a couple hooks here. Got some grommets. Got a hook and loop. Now I have off camera here a bunch of EDC stuff that we're just gonna start loading this guy up and see how it works. So stick some patches on there because why not? Open this guy up. Now it holds 18 knives, 8 pens, and I guess that's the max. So we'll put a bunch of stuff in here, close it up, see how it looks. Now it does have magnetic corners here for knife maintenance. It also doubles as a knife maintenance mat. And then we've got elastic bands and then all these sleeves here. So construction on this guy looks pretty good. Stitching all looks pretty decent. Got a little bit of a double stitch there. No big deal. But yeah, it looks all right. So I guess let's start packing this guy full of knives and we'll see what it do. All right, there's one. Get a bunch of them here. Okay, there we go. 2. Now, it's a little tight, so big knives are not going to go in here very well. Most of my EDC are medium to small. I don't really carry anything too big anymore. All right, there we got our first 6. Oops. Making progress. So far, nothing's really given me a fit. All right, got 12. Got a couple more knives here. So I guess these are double duty. These are for your larger knives, wider knives. Can you get 2 in there? Uh-oh. Do we have our first hiccup? Oh, we got it in there. All right, there we have it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 knives. All up in the Burrito Grande as advertised. Now before we start taking those out to try some other EDC items, I do want to test out these magnetic corners. So I've just got some steel hardware. Obviously titanium is not going to work, but the idea is if you're doing knife maintenance on here, you can put those there. It's not super strong, but it does kind of keep them. At least they won't roll away. But you can see it is magnetized. Fair enough. Now the cool thing about this, at least how I saw it on their website, was with these grommets, you can actually hang this up on a wall, which is, I think, what I'm gonna do. But you could, of course, close this guy up. Let's see if it actually closes. All right, we've got 18 knives in there. We'll just have to adjust the length on the buckle here. Sweet. That close. I thought with all 18 knives in there it was going to have an issue closing, but it does not. We got some more hook and loop here. Nice little carry handle. That's pretty slick, man. This thing's really cool. Box stitching here. And I mean, that is fully loaded, and it's not like bursting at the seams or anything. So that's what you want. So, all right, let's pull some of these knives out of here and just see what we can do with some other EDC gear. So now they said knives and pens and maintenance gear. So I'm gonna pull out these bottom 2 rows and I'm gonna throw some pens and EDC maintenance gear and see what it do. All right. Ooh, that's tight. Gonna go in? Yeah. Okay, that's kind of an issue. I don't think that's gonna close very well. So, but I guess the pocket clip doesn't need to be on the loop there, because that actually fits in there nicely. This isn't a pen. This is an old school pen light. Next Torch K3. Bought that like freaking forever ago after watching a Nothing Fancy review. If you know, you know. Ooh, that barely fits in there. We'll see if it closes. Got a center punch. That's not going to fit in there like that, but we can put it in like that. All right, we got a Bastion. And that's a thick pen too. That goes in there, so that's cool. Tactile turn. Let's see, will it fit? Yep, that's another not so slim pen. This is a, I don't even remember what this one's called. This is brass though. It's pretty sweet. All right, did I not grab an 8th thing? Wait. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you could definitely get some more stuff in there. Let's see if we can close it. Let's see. Yeah, again, closing no problem, even with that stuff in there. So let's put some more gear in here. Sorry, table's shaking all over the place. So this bottom part here is kind of advertised as like a knife maintenance thing. So we're gonna put some knife maintenance stuff in here. We got some Loctite, and that fits in that loop there. And what else do we have? I don't know if I'm gonna get some of this stuff in here, but that might not be NAF's fault. We got some KPL, a show. The Weehaw Stubby. Is this gonna fit in there? It does. Now that's kind of bulky. We'll see what happens when we close that up. I don't know if I'm gonna get this Work Sharp field sharpener in here. That don't fit in there, and I'm not sure it's gonna fit unless we do the big pocket. But then, is it gonna close? Look how much it sticks out. I mean, might have to run it like this, but then it might slip out the side unless I'm missing something. If you guys know something I don't, let me know, because I'm pretty sure in the pictures for this thing they showed a field sharpener. I don't know. We'll put it in there anyway and try and close it. I don't think it's gonna close, but we will do that. Yeah, that's kind of, well, hold up. Now it changes the size, but it's still gonna close. Does it have enough strap on there? I don't really like the way that's doing that. I'm gonna say no on the field sharpener, unless there's some kind of trick to it that I'm not getting. And this is literally my first time checking this thing out. I just realized after I finished recording, the Work Sharp diamond plates actually come off. They're magnetic, so you can pull that off and slide those in there for what it's worth. So if I miss something, be gracious to me. All right, what else do we have? So if that doesn't fit, the strap's definitely not going to fit. So you would probably just need to get just a little leather strip instead of this one that's like a block. Now, of course, if the knives fit, you're going to be able to fit flashlights. Okay. Yeah, buddy. No big deal. All right. Let's see. I think, yeah, that's pretty much all I have, except for I got some diamond paste and a little syringe here. Of course, if you put something like this in there, make sure that cap is secure. I'll put it in the little loop. No big deal. And yeah, so you can, let's pop some more stuff back in and roll it up again with the maintenance stuff in there. And just to see if it's flared out at all. We'll fill every spot again. Oh, you can't forget the wee hot stubby, because that thing's chunky. All right, so we got lights and EDC stuff here, knives up here. Go ahead and fold this guy over and over again. Oh, that stubby's giving us some issues. So now we're popping out a little bit, but you know what? It's handling it like a champ, actually. So these are nice hooks, by the way. I feel like aluminum. Little strap on there. Are these elastic? No, they're not elastic. Oops. Cinch that down. Get this guy on there. Cinch that down. Really not bad. You got a bunch of EDC maintenance stuff in there, including the Weehaw stubby. So it definitely made it thicker, right? But I mean, it's really not obtrusive at all. Like, I mean, this thing is very impressive. I like this. This is kind of a no-brainer. If you're looking to either display it, hang it up on the wall, and have everything laid out, or use this for travel, this is definitely a winner. I think these are around 40 bucks. Go check out Knives. I really appreciate them. Navs. Really appreciate them for sending this my way. I'm definitely digging this. I'm gonna put it into use, and if I have any other thoughts on it, I'll let you know. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, leave me a like and a comment. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. God bless you guys. Peace.